so excited. I can tell. I can actually see it.
Look close. The same thing again.
What?
Look close.
There's
Oh,
more?
over and over. Yeah, I know.
There's like
It's-
Oh gosh. What in the world? This is my building!
Oh, sleeper.
Cheaper? Cheaper. Oh, this is a...
Go, go.
Becky, y'all do not mess with that wire.
Okay.
Yeah, this way. If it's to cover it later.
Oh my goodness. Oh, there's Daddy.
Okay, look there.
Hot up there.
Oh,
Yeah, but just look. Hold. Okay.
the handles are on. It's hot in here. It is? Come.
Don't rush her. She's coming down. Come on down, baby.
I'm gonna go up there first.
Just look.
Look at her butt.
No, and then look at the banana. Oh my gosh,
Come on, Adriana.
Yeah. First, you got to.
You need to get your puzzles up too. You don't leave them laying out.
Yeah, put it in the box.
Put your puzzles up.
And then the banana, the monkey.
Whoa. Nothing to
Supposed to have an air con here, so.
I know. Small one, make it smaller. Smaller after
Now I can just watch her go up here.
Yeah, you can sit here, huh?
We should do 24 hours!
Not 24 hours for life.
No, I mean 24
When Mama's a
hours.
little, this just only like this. Our house like this. No, not like this. This is
Whoa!
not like grandmother.
Look at me!
No,
Mama!
it's not like this.
No, it's like this big right here.
Yeah, but
So
that's not.
it.
Yeah, but that's not like this. You know, like this is strong and good. You know how to build. Okay, come down.
Okay.
Everything is there.
The sleeping? Oh, yes.
Yeah, everything is here.
Wow.
This is your house.
I love this.
Yeah, I've organized all in the kitchen. And the Barbie is not there yet, but you can organize it, okay?
The Barbie's not there yet.
Some, and some of the tables, some, you know, but we need to. I already organized this earlier, but guess what?
Meow, Adriana must do that.
Yeah, may plug-in na rin. Si Daddy ang naglagay niya.
Daddy, turn on the light. Turn it on.
May lights na rin. Aircon na lang ang kailangan.
It's actually hot up here. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Need it.
know.
Okay.
Gotta
Go
get
down
air-
and play here in the, ano.
When the fan's going. You gotta get air conditioning.
Yeah, again, this one, you can just put it here, oh. Cold. Kasyang-kasya lang yung mga laro nila.
and guys, I've never been up a ladder before. Like, never. This is strong. This is a strong ladder.
And guess what? Have a carpet now, huh?
That is Chris Magic.
Where you going?
Okay, so hope you're...
Wait.
Rebecca,
Oh my goodness, it's like a picture. Okay.
hold on.